In last video we saw what is data, and in this video we will see what is population and what is sample. So population and sample is nothing but kind of data set. So what is different? So the different is their sizes, how big they are. So here you can see what is population and what is sample. So the population is collection of each and every possible records for given scenario. It is denoted by capital N, and capital N is total number of records in population, whereas sample is subset of population. In most cases, it replicates population. Note one thing, that data collection team always makes sure that data has same property as the property of population. Like in if in population data set, if there are 50% male and 50% female, then data collection team ensure that the sample we have should have 50% female and 50% male. Sample is denoted by small n, where small n is total number of records in sample. In almost all cases, it is impossible to have population data set because obviously we can't collect all possible records for real world problem. That's why all the real world in analysis done on sample. You can understand population and sample by an example. Suppose there is a election and we want to predict who will win this election. For this case, can you tell me what will be population? So in this case, population is just all the voters in voter list. But in real life scenario, we are not able to collect all the data. Thus, we try to collect the data such like that it replicates population. Like if population has 50% male and 50% female, so we will make sure our sample should have 50% male and 50% female. So I think after this you understood the concept of population and sample. So here a question arises, how we select the records from population for our sample data set. So here you can see on screen, basically there are four type of sampling techniques. Sampling techniques is nothing but way of collecting the data. So basically there are four type of sampling techniques. First one is simple random sampling. In this, each member of population have equal chance to be selected in the sample. Second one is stratified sampling. If population is divided into many groups and they are not overlapping, so in this case we consider stratified sampling, and in this our sample will have equal share of these groups as it is in population. And third one is systematic sampling. In this we select every nth individual of population. Like you can try to sold the book to every student you saw outside school, or you will select every fifth record of population. Fourth one is convention sampling. So in this, sample has records from only specific group. Like you want to do survey which programming language is popular among programmer. So for this case, it is more suitable that we do survey only on programmers, not doctors, not civil engineer. So in this case, we will consider convention sampling. So I think this is enough for this video. In next video, we will see what is rectangular data and structured data and unstructured data. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video among your friends and also subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to make more such videos. So thanks. We will meet you in next video.